Frequent filter cloth replacement may seem like a small maintenance issue, but the real cost is much bigger. Every cloth change increases spare cost, labor time, and maintenance effort. It can also stop production, reducing machine uptime and plant output. Worn cloth often causes poor filtrate clarity, slower cycles, and higher cake moisture. Common reasons include wrong cloth selection, abrasive slurry, pressure stress, or poor cleaning practices. Choosing the right cloth and maintaining it properly can reduce replacement frequency and improve overall filtration efficiency. That's the hidden cost of frequent filter cloth replacement.